Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to be unboxing from the Sill. thesill.com right there. Okay, so I ordered these plants from the Sill on last Tuesday. So they got here pretty quickly. Prime out. And we are going to unbox these and then see how they shipped. My sister-in-law lives in New York and the Sill is in New York. And she recently went to the Sill and did a YouTube video. I'll link her YouTube video down below. She was actually able to go to the store and pick up some plants. So that was kind of cool. So I just realized that they deliver. So I was like, let's go on and see. And it was a flat $10 shipping, or no, I'm sorry. It was only $8 to ship from New York to here for 2 plants, which is, I think, a really good deal. Okay, so they have it packaged pretty good here. So there's some brown paper. Can you see that? And then I got a little envelope. It's like Christmas time. So this is pretty much my invoice. And then it also comes with a little paper that says, here's to turning over a new leaf. Plants make people happy. And then it says some stuff about if you have care questions, where to contact them, just a little bit of information on there. And then this is cute, which I also saw from my sister-in-law's video, is they give you little care cards with the plant that I ordered, which I'll be talking about, and kind of its origins, the light requirements, the water requirements, and kind of what to do if your plant starts to look a little sad. So that's convenient. I like it. All right, so in here we have, whoa. This is obviously, okay, it's wrapped pretty well. Wow. Feels a little moist. Okay, it comes with 2 little heat packs attached to the bottom, which is convenient because the weather is not the greatest. It is February. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this out and use this to open over the box because I don't want to get soil all over my floor. Been there, done that. Ooh. Aww. There's some soil on the leaves. Rubber band, which actually is holding in this, it's like that stuff that you use in Easter baskets. Not hay, not like plastic stuff, but just to hold the soil in place, which it did a pretty good job. There's not a lot of soil on here. This one is my, I'm gonna say this wrong, Pilea Peperomiodies. Yes, it's so cute. And actually this looks like it's in perfect condition. I'll insert a close-up shot here so you guys can see it, but the leaves look to be in great condition. There is one little tiny stem that looks like a leaf broke off from, but other than that, the leaves aren't crushed, not damaged. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. So I'm excited about it. This plant is from southern China and it grows at the foot of the Himalayas, which is pretty interesting. I didn't know that. It likes medium indirect light to dappled sun. So I'll probably stick them on my shelf in my living room because we get some pretty good sun in that room. Water 1 to every 2 weeks, or when soil is dry about 1 to 2 inches down, which is pretty basic. I hear that these are pretty easy. And they also pop out little babies that you can kind of cut off and share with friends. These are like, it's like a sharing plant. Wilting, wrinkling means it's underwatered. Yellowing means it's overwatered, and possibly root rot. So let's just avoid that. This is really convenient. I like these little cards. Way to go, this Sill. That's one. I have one more here. This does not say what I spent, but this one was $4. Oops, I just made a mess. Damn it. This one I want to say was maybe 10 bucks. My total came to $28 with shipping. Back over the box we go. So the bubble wrap is like this, it's like sticky bubble wrap. It's like a 2-person job. Okay. Let's get it out of this package. I need help. Help. This is insane. Okay, again, this one's a little moist. They probably water right before they ship. Oh. Da, 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 da. Ah! Okay, this is a little dirty, but that's okay. This is my rubber tree. Proper name, hold momentarily. Ficus elastica. So this is native to Southeast Asia and Indonesia. Medium and direct light to full sun. Full sun is actually ideal, so maybe this guy will go in my window, like directly in my window. The leaves on both of these plants are full of soil, so I just have to clean them up. But this is in excellent condition, and there is 1, 2, possibly 3, because I can't see down there, babies growing through these stems. This is in really good condition. Just need to clean the leaves up, but I'll insert a close-up here. Let me take this off. I'm so glad that I Swiffered my floors today. Such a great thing. Oh boy. Oh yeah, there are a ton of little babies in there. Look at that. See that? Back to the note card. Water once every 1 to 2 weeks or until the soil completely dries out. So yeah, I've heard that they do not like their feet to be wet. Let it dry out, give it a good thorough soaking, and call it a day. I'll probably plant both of these in Terra Cotta. I'm happy. I would order from them again. I got dirt all over the floor. Fabulous. The color starts to fade on these, which you can see they're a really, really deep green. If the color starts to fade, it means it needs more sunlight. So that's good to know. So not necessarily a deal breaker if you're looking to lighten the leaves, but I think that the thing that makes this plant so unique is the deep color of the leaves, and then underneath is like a ruby red, which is pretty cool. If the leaves start curling inward, it's underwater, so it tells you when it's thirsty. My kind of plant. I got a phone call. Anyway, thank you guys so much for joining me on this unboxing journey of the Sill. Really wasn't a journey. I didn't leave my kitchen. If you guys have any question or comments, leave them in the comment section below. I have been loving all of your ideas for videos, and I promise I am going to get around to all of your suggestions. I plan on recording them over the next couple of weeks. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you can see more planty videos from me in the future. Thanks, guys. See you in my next one. Bye.